everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thanks for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a look at our 2022 Ford Bronco Big Bend. With just over 19,000 miles, this Ford Bronco does feature a Velocity blue exterior and it is equipped with a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine. It is 4-wheel drive and it does have a clean CARFAX with 2 previous owners. In the front, you will find this Ford Bronco well equipped with LED lights with a heavy-duty front bumper with tow hooks. And making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you can see an aftermarket 22-inch, looks like a two-tone machine aluminum alloy wheel, really attractive here. And it looks like that is from 4-play wheels. And as you can see, all the modifications have been done at Krietz Customs from Frederick, Maryland. So a significant lift and suspension modification is included. On the outside, you will have nice features like paint-matched mirror cap and door handles, and fixed running boards from Weston. And of course, you do have your easily removable 3-piece hardtop. On the inside, you will be met with some light gray and black and that Velocity blue trim. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this very sporty SUV. And of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these two-tone premium cloth seats. And while this is a 2-door SUV, as you can see, you are going to have easy access to that second row. At the rear of this Ford Bronco, you will find a matching spare tire with high-definition rear camera, and down below you will have a tow hook and a hitch receiver with 4 and 7-pin wiring. Let's go ahead and take a moment to look at the cargo space here. As you can see, I do have the second row up, but let's go ahead and fold those down. Those will fold flat so you can maximize all your space. In the rear here, if you do not need this row, as you can see, you have plenty of space in this 2-door Ford Bronco. And making our way to the driver door, you will notice your cargo liner here for your storage down beneath, and you will have power door locks along with your manual door lock. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have a general lamp selector and brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see all the tires are 15-30 seconds all the way around. That's a brand new tire here, folks. And your brake pads are new as well, along with everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. And here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. As you can see, this particular key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, panic, and remote start. Upon startup, you can see just over 19,000 miles on this Ford Bronco. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you have a cruise control option here. And then you have some volume options, and to the right you'll have some connectivity buttons here with a selector for your center screen, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and to be hands-free. And bringing our attention to our center screen here and our infotainment system, as you can see, as far as audio is concerned, you will have FM, AM, XM radio with Bluetooth connectivity, and that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And of course, you do have your high-definition rear camera with your towing and guidance lines, and you do have those front and rear proximity sensors. And down below your display, you will have some simple radio controls, followed up with your auto start and stop option. And down below, you'll have some automatic climate controls, pretty simple. And down below you have some nice storage with USB-C and USB. And of course you have your leather wrap shifter here with your manual shift mode, some beverage holders right here in the middle. Then you will have your GO.A.T modes here and your 4-wheel drive selector. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of those GO.A.T modes. Looks like we'll have a normal driving mode, Eco, Sport, Slippery, Mud Ruts, and Sand. And right in the middle for your convenience, right at the touch of your fingertips, you will have your powered windows and mirror adjustments. And of course, you will also have a nice deep storage console here with another 12-volt output. And bringing our attention up top, you will have options for your bright LED map lights, and you'll have 6 options for your auxiliaries. And under the hood, you will have your 2.3-liter turbocharged engine. As you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Ford Bronco has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ford Bronco. Keep in mind that it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect. We do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting up front here, you do have this nice high gloss black chip guard. So no stone chips here on the front of the hood. And of course your rugged bumper here, all the way up here. Everything is good, no chips, no paint chips or anything like that. Further down, you will have some wear and tear from the road. Otherwise, very good shape. Really beautiful velocity blue exterior here. Here on this side, the passenger side, you will see some small paint chips. All the way over here to our flares, good shape. And your wheels are in good shape, no curb rash on those really nice wheels. All your badging is in good shape, no chipping, no cracking. That badge is from your Krietz Customs. Looks like a paint chip here on the passenger side mirror cap, also paint matched, along with your door handles here. You will have some blemishes here underneath, as you can see, and some small paint chips throughout. Here on the rear fender flare here, you will have some paint chips. No curb rash on that rear wheel on the passenger side. Let's take a look on the inside here on the passenger side door card. Everything is clean. Maybe some slight scuffs right there. Your high gloss trim panels are in good shape. Premium cloth seats. Maybe a small blemish there. And underneath this hardtop, you do have fabric, which mimics a headliner, and that is clear of any rips or stains. And no odors in this vehicle, very important at All Things Automotive. And even your chrome door sill plates here are in good shape. A lot of times they'll be scuffed up. You have some, but otherwise very good shape. And then if I go ahead, I did have these seats folded down to demonstrate that they will fold flat. These seats, the front bottom portion of these seats will flip up, so that way you can have all that cargo space. But as you can see, the back is in good shape as well. You can see some blemishes here once we get up to the top by your removable piece here. This is on the passenger side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear here. I did want to mention all your headlights and tail lights here are clear of any cracks, no condensation buildup, no hazing, no fading. Pony badge is in good shape. No bubbling around these pieces on the door joints. Another paint matched door handle here with your swing gate. Very good shape here, no scuffing. A lot of the times with cargo going in and out, you'll have scuffing here, but not in this instance. Back bumper looks really good. You have some small blemishes back here, as you can see. Coming up the driver's side, let's take a look at the rear wheel on the driver's side. No curb rash. You do see some small blemishes here. And on the back side of the door handle, you will have some scuffs. Running boards are in good shape, no rusting, no peeling of the coating or anything of that nature. And ending up at the driver door mirror cap, as you can see, some minor cosmetic blemishes there. Otherwise, really great shape. Beautiful velocity blue Ford Bronco done by Krietz Customs with the larger off-road tires, and really nicely done with the aftermarket lift and suspension components here. If you have any specific questions about that, give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com where you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy, only takes 10 minutes, guys. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks, have a great day. Please like and subscribe.